Hey, what's up guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Sofi Technologies. Now, as you would have seen on the thumbnail of this video, that shorts are losing big. I'll take you over that data. Well, it's mostly on the options side that I'm seeing that there's just a lot of puts piled up, but price action is not confirming any of that, and these shorts are going to lose big money, and they're already losing big money on SoFi. So kudos to the bulls to the moon, well, all that good stuff. In case of the price action is still holding bullish, right? Then only, right? So we have to take the trades based off of the price action is what I'm trying to say here, okay? So yes, price action is bullish on SoFi. Just really quickly, I want to show you a glimpse into the options data as how it's looking like for this next week. Definitely there's just a lot of puts, the walls of puts sitting here, right? The $15 and $12. However, none of this would come in play. And as we'll go through this video, things will make sense to you all. So let's come back to the technicals, and this blue box that I provided you, I mentioned that as we get above it, we are again full on back again bullish. Now we were already getting into the rebound on the lower time frame as we'll go in this video, but on the daily interval, I'm on the passive mode. I just turn on my tools as well, and you know that above this area we are bullish, and we are in the overall strength has come back fully on. It's just not a rebound anymore, right? That we were getting on the hourly interval. So, and again, you can still, if you were doing the swing short, which you got the signal back up here, which is on the passive mode. Let's come back to the daily interval. So on the passive mode, you're building short here, sizing in and out, taking profits in the lower side, right? And then this is your hard stop loss, right? And then switch the position, and just same for on the bullish side. You started your bullish position back down here when the structure on my tools turned bullish. And then from $7 all the way to $17, you are taking profits, and this is your hard stop loss area, right? Things like that. But on the active mode, so I'm on the passive mode right now. On the active mode, we were already bullish on this thing for last 4 days already, but an intraday rebound as it was already coming on the lower time frame. We talked about it. So you can decide your strategy first, active or passive, and accordingly make the decisions, but you will have access to these training videos if you are a member. So okay, so that's well, the overall structure as what we are on SoFi, and both active passive right now we are just bullish, right? So but let's get to the hourly interval, and then I'll talk about why those puts just doesn't make sense, right? So, and on the hourly interval, guys, that rebound that as it was coming, let's turn on the tools again, as it was coming already up from here, we remained bullish. We are still in the bullish structure. Some, yes, cool off tried to come, but that was it. We again turned bullish, and we are still just fine on SoFi. Now, any pullback until the level, even if let's say cool off starts to happen on the daily interval, right? So let's say we start to cool off, we start to see a sell off. Anything until above this blue box is just going to be a pullback. It's not going to turn bearish. This is a really good strengthful support. So what is this level? $15.60. Especially this coming week, I don't think we will. Again, anything is possible. That's why we have a stop loss, but there's less likelihood of breaking below this area of $15 range. All right, so any of these puts, like, they're worthless. $12, forget it. It's not happening. Those shorts are cooked. These traders are cooked, all right? And definitely there is more likelihood. Well, there are two things, right? Either we can do through the pullback as well, and but we are more likely just going to stay in the bullish strength on SoFi going in this week. And also on the hourly interval, since overall structure is bullish, any cool off as it happens, that will be just a cool off for a day or so. It's not going to change overall structure. If we lose $16.42 area, some cool off is possible to catch up again to $16.10, but that's just an intraday cool off, nothing more than that. And around the significant level, take this as an account, but until then, take it just as a pullback. Structure is just fine. And but yeah, depending on if you are doing just a scalp or whatnot, then $16.43 is a little bit of a cool off or a weakness on intraday or day trading levels, I should say. Day trading side, like 5 minutes or so. But then there's still more likelihood, since we're in an uptrend, rebounds are more likely possible until and unless we loses the structure on the bigger time frame, that is on the daily interval as well. So yeah, in my opinion, SoFi will remain bullish, and I won't be surprised if it breaks to the new all-time highs as well, and which we are not very far away from. I do expect, look, this supply zone is still unreacted. Okay, this still has some room, and we can see some sell-offs, some cool-offs. That's why I'm providing you levels to watch for any potential pullback as it comes. But this, even if this whole week it's going to stay sideways here above the blue box, it's still fine, guys. That's just a pullback building up, and it's just going to be fine. It's just bullish. There is nothing else to be worrying about on this thing. And on the weekly interval, as I said last time as well, we are just staying bullish on this thing. And let's turn on the tools, and we are just bullish. And the way the week has closed, and we have been bullish on this thing for a good amount of time here, guys. You can I mean, yeah, like you can see it here, we are just bullish on this thing. Also, the way the weekly candle has closed, guys, look at it. It's just such a strengthful candle. This tells you, oh, okay, weekly level pullback is complete, and it's it's ready to rock and roll. Again, have a stop loss regardless, but we are bullish. I'm not worried as long as this blue box $15 level continues to hold. We are just fine on SoFi, and pullbacks are just a buy as long as we're above the blue box. So, and that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools that you see in the videos, links to my tools are in the description of this video. You will get mystery discount as well if you're interested. Follow the link in the description of this video. That will tell you everything. All right, take care. Bye.